On yesterday's video, I showed how you can test capacitors leaving the common connected on dual capacitors. Today I'm showing that on regular capacitors, plus a whole bunch more on this video. Hope you enjoy it, as I think there's a lot in this one for you. Hope the information and video experience serves you well. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Preventative maintenance fund continues. We'll checking all these capacitors. First, right here, kind of makes sense to do them two at a time. Okay. Good one, 40/5, has no hard switch on it. So discharge capacitor. Capacitor holds the charge in it even after the power is disconnected, and it's just good safety practice. You never know something. So we're going to disconnect the start wire for the compressor and the wire for the fan, which is also technically start wire. All right. There we go. That's all we need. And on this Goodman here, mechanical, sorry. Discharge. Looks like we got a little Titan Pro 5 on this little deal, so we can leave the common connected for the fan. The common's usually the brown and white wire, and then we can just connect just the start wire. Start wire on Goodman units is a yellow wire. It's labeled Herm on the capacitor. Other manufacturers use different colors. Oh, that was kind of weird. Okay. Anyway, this one, most likely a 35/5. It's got a different compressor on there, and that compressor looks tired. Tired. Wow. It'd be tricky to even read that. All right. Well, let's just test the. Oh, it's got a Titan Pro cap on there as well. So here's our microfarads. So let's see how the Titan Pro is holding up. It's a 35. 33.85, that's good. And the 5. 4.91, so that's good. All right, we're good there. Reconnect our wires. And that's it. Okay. And this compressor, A102FT 1029. Very hard to read. Let's see if I get some water. And that's even harder. It was easier before. AW102FT. I'm going to try to research that. Let's see. AW 102 FT. AW 102. -029. See if I get anywhere on a Google search. So Tecumseh. R22, 2.5 horsepower. Let me copy this before. Gosh. My phone is back to the phone. It's not cooperating. Hard to see. Like I got moisture on the screen or something. Oh, it just does not like me. Select all. Copy. There we go. Good. Can't read this crap. I'm gonna try this another way. Got an app here. Does not like it. Never mind. Well, I'm gonna have to research that later. I have no luck with the Tecumseh compressors and finding the information that I need on it. And it would be nice if they just would write it on the stinking compressor. They don't. You know, this one's been running with the 35 for so long, so it is what it is. Alright, we changed it out and test it here. It's got a, looks like it had a 3-in-1 starter kit at one point. That's gone. It looks like a contactor was replaced at some point. Let's test it here. With power and not plugged in. I'll come back and test that in a second. Let's test our next compressor instead. Okay. There we go. Coming. Does have a hard set today. 5. That one was good. 40.6, that's good. Really good there. Yep, that's our 5. So on this one going on. going to test the capacitor. It's brand new. It looks new. Not going to worry about it. And now I can plug both the units back in, test them both. Okay. So we're going to test. Yeah. And spinning the right way. Beautiful sound. Screws, and I found a couple screws that I needed for my other unit. So even if it's running right now, I'll go ahead and leave it running. When I come back, I'm sure I'll find a moment to put the other screws in that other good one unit. Alright. Just get back to this unit and just test it. Make sure. And we'll be finished. Here we go. That's that Tecumseh Compressor. Tired, but it's alive. Alright, all set there. Good. Good deal. Just reset my cover. We're all set. And if anyone has any good information on how to find the correct size capacitor on these Tecumseh compressors, I've tried Tecumseh's site itself and a number of other apps, trying to search and just searching online, but I've yet to come across anything really good that would give a capacitor size for these. There is some information on the Tecumseh site, but it's complex. They want you to use 2 capacitors, and they have their own version of capacitors, and they really don't give out the capacitor size. Maybe it's something protecting their brand as a way to make it not so easy. Not really sure, but anyone with any good information on that, if you leave some information in the comments below, that would be great. Thanks for watching. And of course, I'll continue to research this and look deeper into this, and any information I find or gather, or as it's communicated to me and I test it out, I will try to communicate that with you here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. The way it should be. Alright, all the trash. Goodness gracious. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.